Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Midoriya. You go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here, and just click on it. It's going to show for you list like this here. So then you just click here on special over here, then it's going to take you to next step here. Just switch into open video, then you click here on continue here. So when you just click here on continue, before you select here if you want to add monthly or annually or payment, and here add your debit card or credit card here, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.